This is Moccor-Tech. It has been a while I do tutorial, and I'm doing this tutorial because of my colleagues and those who have been asking me how to set your text or your contact label so that it will be good, that usability will be working perfect, and you cannot enter a number more than 10. As you all know that phone number is 10 digits, it's not more than 10 digits. So we are going to learn how to develop or how to set a test, a label, and a test that can enter only 10 digits but not more than 10. And you cannot even enter less than 10. If you enter less than 10, the usability is supposed to let you know that oh, it's not more up to 10 digits. I know that organization has been having these challenges in their systems, even though they are high efficiency programmers that develop it. But sometimes, if you don't take care when you are developing about your usabilities, this is how your system is going to be like. So, guys, let's get started. So, this is my HTML, my web development, or I can use it and develop any software that I need. But so here we have body, and the body we have three stages. We have the header, and the other one we have main, and the last is footer. I will explain, don't worry. So the header is from the top, your web development, whatever you are doing on top, or whatever you want it to appear when they Google for something, that text will appear. But the main is the content, and the footer is where usually they usually say addressing the author. That is, I hope you understand. So it's from the down, being the down is for the down. So sometimes they'll say that copyright at something is for the footer, but the main is the body where the information is going to be, the text and the labels with the buttons and those things. But the header is the top one. So we are working inside the header here. We are working inside the header. The header, first of all, is just like the top descent. So we are not going to tackle that portion. So first we'll create our label. And the label, we have label for what are we doing. So we want to set a contact, tele. And here is phone number. So we'll say telephone. Okay, let me just do it tally so that it won't confuse people. So the other one is, let's say, input type, where we are going to input our contact. So the input type we'll say is telephone. So here, let's say our placeholder supposed to be 02539118818. So this is our placeholder, and the other one is mini. The other one is mini length, which is supposed to be 10. At least if we do not enter, it's supposed to be 10. So, and the max length to the maximum is supposed also to be 10. So now this is how it's supposed to be. So let's save and you see. Guys, observe please. So let's open it in my server. I want to run it. So here it is. So let's say 0256789. So you see they say please the length is not up to 10. The length, so this is how we're supposed to develop things when we are going. And we have another way in Java. Apart from Java, in Java, so anytime when we enter, it will detect to tell us that this number is either if it is already in our database or we can link it with our partner, listen, let's say MTN, listen, so that when we are entering, it will tell us that no, this number does not exist. But because of Ghana, we just want cheap things. And so you see, it's not up to 10. So we'll enter up to listen. I hope it's not 10. So when I enter again, it will not mind, it will not enter again because the number is up to 10. Hope you understand. So this is how I was talking about. And let's develop a button for submit. BTN button ID supposed to be submit. Submit. So and we say we are submitting. So that is it. So the reason why we do ID here, when we are dealing with Java, we connect the ID that submit to Java to get on. So that is it. This is our button for submit. We cannot submit unless we enter. It's not up. You see the test is not up here. It's not up. So when we enter again, let's enter. Can't enter. It's not enter again. If I remove one, you see that. If I remove and enter, it will go. It will not enter. So this is what I was talking about. So guys, this is what I wanted to tell you. And we have another thing that we call usability. Let's say we have pattern, and that one it depends on the format that we want to type our number. If the format, so when you want a format, you can say pattern. A format. Sometimes you will see a number with 024 digestion. So that is for pattern. But I don't want that. I want the usability. So when I point my cursor on the text box, it's supposed to tell me that please enter your telephone number. So the usability is a title. So what do I supposed to tell? The information is please enter your phone number. So that is it. Let's save. Let's check. If I place my cursor, it will tell please enter your phone number. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and this is what I wanted to let you know. And those who are asking, I hope you are clear. If you are not clear, you DM me on my WhatsApp or my email. Thank you very much. Drop your comments on the YouTube channel for me to see.